Hi, I'm Tracy Essling, and I'm honored to be president of Bay East Association of Realtors in 2025. I've been part of Bay East for 28 years, and I'm excited about serving our members.
Hi, my name is Bill Espinola, and I currently serve as your 2025 president-elect. I've been with Bay East for a little over 14 years, and it's been a great experience being part of the leadership here at the association.
Hi everyone, my name is Viviana Sherman, and I currently serve as a 2025 treasurer. I've been involved with Bay East for 8 years, and it's been such a rewarding experience to connect with and support our members.
Hi, I'm Barbara Clemens, and I'm honored to be the immediate past president on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been part of Bay East for about 15 years, and I'm excited to be serving our members.
Hi, I'm June Burkhart, and I'm honored to serve as a director of 2025 Board of Directors. I've been a member of the Bay East for 15 years, and I love it.
Hi, I'm Frank Quizmorio, and I'm proud to be a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. It's been about 6 years since I joined Bay East, and I'm excited to continue serving our members.
Hi, I'm Sharon Mancias, and I'm proud to be a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. It's been about 20 years since I joined Bay East, and I'm excited to continue serving our members.
Greetings, I'm Dolores D. Johnson. I'm honored to serve as a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been a member of Bay East for 22 years.
Hi, I'm Simi Puri. I'm excited to serve as director on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been a member of Bay East for 14 years.
Greetings, I'm Louis Haystack, and I'm honored to be one of Bay East's new directors, where I'm hoping to give back to our association and to our fellow real estate professionals. One of the best decisions I made was join Bay East when I first got my license 18 years ago.
Hi, I'm Trevor Frey, and I'm thrilled to serve as the affiliate director on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been a member of Bay East for 8 years, and I'm honored to serve our real estate community.
Hi, I'm Tina Jackson Walda, and I'm honored to be a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been part of Bay East for 20 years, and I'm excited to be serving our members.
Hi, I'm Paul Wong, and I'm proud to be a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. It's been about 10 years since I joined Bay East, and I'm excited to continue serving our members.
Hi, I'm Geraldine Ramirez. I'm excited to serve as a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been a member of Bay East for 19 years.
Hi, I'm Sinat T, and I'm honored to serve as a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been a member of Bay East for 11 years, and I'm honored to contribute to our real estate community.
Hi everyone, I'm Don Fott, and I currently serve as a director here at the Bay East Association of Realtors for the 2025 term. I've been involved with Bay East for 38 years now, and it's been such a rewarding experience to connect with and support our realtor members and the affiliate members.
Hi, I'm Eliane Selwan, and I'm proud to be a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been a part of Bay East for about 17 years, and I'm excited to be serving our members.
Hi everyone, I'm Joe Laparo, and I'm currently serving as a director on the Bay East Board of Directors. I've been involved with Bay East for 26 years, and it's been a heartwarming experience, networking with my fellow realtors and getting to know early on in the game.
Hi, I'm Garrett Gann, and I'm proud to be a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. It's been about 12 years since I joined Bay East, and I'm excited to continue serving our members.
Now, a few of you might know that I'm strangely fluent in Dutch, the language of 30 million speakers in the Netherlands, Northern Belgium, and from around the world. After all, if you ain't Dutch, you ain't much.
Did you know I can speak Khmer, which is Cambodian, which helps me connect with our diverse membership?
Did you know I speak English, French, Arabic, and German, which helps me connect with our diverse membership?
And I am fluent in Spanish.
Did you know I also speak Cantonese, which helps me connect with even more of our members?
Fun fact, I also speak Spanish, so feel free to say hola.
Did you know I also speak Japanese, which helps me and connect with even more members?
Did you know I also speak Cantonese, which helps me connect with even more of our members?
One of my favorite sayings is, it's not what we do for our children, but what we have taught them to do for themselves and their communities, because that's what will make them successful human beings.
One of my favorite sayings is surround yourself with people who inspire you. And that's because it always reminds me to be an active listener and to be coachable.
And my favorite saying is, I serve with an attitude of gratitude.
I have not one, but two favorite sayings. First, it's not who you know, it's how you treat them. And second, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And if you apply these to your daily life, I promise it will make a difference.
One of my favorite sayings is just do the work, because whether you're working on yourself, your family, or your business, nothing amazing happens by accident.
One of my favorite saying is, the sun always rises tomorrow. It's something that inspires me every day not to give up.
One of my favorite sayings is, you do you. The reason I say that is because we have choices in life and we have to do what makes us happy.
One of my favorite sayings is, people don't remember what you say or what you did, but they do remember how you make them feel. And it reminds me to be aware of that statement when communicating with others.
One of my favorite sayings is, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It reminds me that success does not happen overnight.
Words that inspire me were spoken by President Kennedy at his inaugural address in 1961. Ask not what your country could do for you, ask what you can do for your country. These words ring true to me today and will hopefully resonate with my two own daughters and to the generations following them.
My favorite saying is by Maya Angelou. People won't remember what you said or did, but they will remember how you made them feel.
One of my favorite saying is, if you do what others won't do today, you'll have what others won't have tomorrow.
One of my favorite sayings is, every day may not be good, but there is good in every day.
One of my favorite sayings is, if you don't like the way things are going, get involved, because that's how we can be a part of the change.
One of my favorite sayings is, it is what it is. I had a previous manager that taught me that, and what she meant was, things don't always go the way you plan, but you learn to deal with it and you actually come out with a positive attitude afterwards. So that's why it is one of my favorite sayings.
One of my favorite sayings is, anything is possible, because it always reminds me to get things done.
My favorite saying is, enjoy the journey.
One of my favorite sayings is, don't be a secret agent.
Outside of my role here, I'm passionate about golf, don't look at my handicap, and cooking, which is also, for me, a great therapy.
And when I'm not working, I'm passionate about supporting our beloved Golden State Warriors.
My hobbies are spending time with family, exploring new places where I can find spirituality, learn about their culture, see all art forms, and experience new things. It opens my horizons, and I think I become a better person because of it. I also love dancing.
Outside of work, I enjoy hiking, working out, and travel, and spending time with friends and family.
Outside my role here, I'm passionate about billiards and Santa Claus.
When I'm not working, my passion is magic. I love magic, and I'm a member of the Oakland Magic Circle.
Outside of work, I enjoy yoga, sewing, and my family.
When I'm not working, I love to travel. I am a foodie.
When I'm not working, I like to stay active.
When I'm not working, my passions are, number one, my 3-year-old grandson. I'm actually his part-time babysitter. And my second one is playing golf. And you'll find me doing that quite a bit.
When I'm not working, I like to spend time reading and gardening.
Outside of work, I enjoy gardening and traveling and also making chocolates to give away.
Outside of work, I enjoy traveling, cooking, and baking. and taking care of my family and my Bernese Mountain Dog, Duke.
When I'm not working, my passion is learning new technologies.
Outside of work, I'm passionate about traveling, riding my electric bike, bowling, playing dominoes, spades, whist, and just having good, clean fun.
As far as my passion, I'm passionate about giving back. I want to inspire the next generation of professionals as well as make our field more accessible to the underrepresented groups and communities.
If you can believe it, I have 2 left feet, but I enjoy performing in local musical theater where I'm still hoping to be a triple threat someday, singing, dancing, and acting. My favorite role to date, the hapless Prince Dauntless in Once Upon a Mattress.
Outside of my role here at Bay East, I'm passionate about riding motorcycles. I've been riding motorcycles since I was a little over 10 years old.
Outside of my role here, I'm passionate about serving my community with Rotary, and I love spending my time hiking with my dog and my husband.
Out of all our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is enhancing the Realtor voice, reputation, and consumer trust. Why? Because we are a profession that most people don't understand. It is imperative that we begin to tell our story and to allow the consumer, our clients, to come alongside us in that storytelling. It allows us to share what we do, who we are in the largest, most critical decision of their life, which is buying or selling a home.
One of my priorities that I'm most excited about this year is political advocacy, because it's important that the realtors be a part of the decision-making process.
The strategy priority I am most excited about this year is to create the next generation of successional leaders. It is important to me because we need a strong leadership in our profession.
Out of all strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is to empower member success through education, business resources, and technology. Why? Because I am here with Bay East to serve you and your real estate business.
As your director, I am passionate about seizing the power of Bay East and making its voice heard in local government.
The strategic priority I'm most excited about is elevating realtor professionalism. I think this strategy is a twofold. I love that our Public Affairs Department will be working on promoting our professionalism to the public, but we must also do our part by staying informed and educated. This also helps raise our image as professionals. So education is also important, which is another strategic priority in 2025.
Out of all the strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is fostering accessibility, inclusion, and representation. I used to be the chair of the IDEA Committee, where we actually did quite a few things that mimic what FAIR is doing now, but what we did is we made a difference at Bay East. One of the things we did was we did the diversity survey, and that's now a part of Bay East going forward. So I'm very proud that we were able to do that.
Out of our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is empowering member success through education, business resources, and technology. Why? Being able to provide education, the updates on the industry, and the technologies, these are the keys that keep us knowledgeable. Also, enhancing the realtor voice is important to me.
Out of all of our strategic priorities, I am excited about is elevating realtor professionalism. Why? Because that's something I have been passionate about for the last 10 years.
Out of our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is create the next generation of exceptional leaders. Why? Because the younger generation coming into the business has so much enthusiasm and knowledge about new technologies, new way of communicating. I'm looking forward to a year of hard work.
Out of all of our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is empowering member success through education, business resources, and technology. Because when you succeed, you help your clients achieve their real estate goals.
Out of all of our strategic priorities, the two I'm most excited about are elevating realtor professionalism and creating effective legislative advocacy and political action initiatives. Why? Because both of them go hand in hand. One cannot survive without the other.
Out of all of our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is empowering members' success through education, business resources, and technology. Why? Because anytime you give people education, technology, and resources, it empowers them, and that's what creates a better world.
Out of all our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is to elevate Realtor professionalism. Why? Because raising professionalism in real estate helps build trust with our clients, and it improves their experience. It keeps the industry's reputation strong, and it helps Realtors act ethically and stand out in a competitive market. Being professional helps raise the bar in the industry as a whole.
Out of all of our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is elevate Realtor professionalism. Why? Because we need improved standards across the board. And by raising the bar, it benefits individuals and enhances the perception of real estate professionals. I chose to lead by example, and I'm looking forward to hearing what our members have to say and bringing it to the association.
Out of all our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is fostering accessibility, inclusion, and representation. Because I feel that inclusion is a part of my core values.
The strategic priority I'm most excited about this year is to create the next generation of exceptional leaders. I like to surround myself with great people, and I watch them grow into the next generation.
Out of our strategic priorities, the one that resonates with me the most is elevate Realtors professionalism. Why? Because professionalism is dear to my heart. I serve on the professionalism committee, and it's just a pet peeve of mine when Realtors do whatever they want to do. It is so important for Realtors to follow our code of ethics and our MLS rules, because this brings value to us Realtors and to the consumers. For after all, professionalism is the cornerstone of our real estate industry.
The strategic priority that I'm most excited about this year is create the next generation of exceptional leaders. It's important to me because great leaders don't talk about what they can do, they talk about what they can see. That's why what we call what they talk about is vision, and they share their vision with the world. Thanks for letting me share a little bit about myself, and I look forward to hearing your ideas so I can better serve you as a member of the Bay East Board of Directors.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video of me sharing about myself. I look forward to hearing from you to better serve the needs of our profession.
Thank you for letting me share a little about myself.
I want to thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself.
I'm excited about what we've achieved this year, and I look forward to serving our members in the new year ahead. Thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself.
I hope to meet you at our next Bay East event, and thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself.
Thank you for allowing me to share a little bit about myself. I'm looking forward to a successful year ahead.
Thank you for letting me share some of the things that I care about. I'm looking forward to a great year ahead.
I'm so excited about the work we'll do together this year. And thank you for letting me share a bit about myself.
Thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself. Here's to a great year ahead. I'm looking forward to seeing all that we achieve.
Thank you for letting me share a little about myself. Here's to a fantastic year ahead, and I'm looking forward to seeing all that we have achieved.
I hope to use my experience to work that I've been in public service and my experience as a long-term realtor to work for you. Thank you.
I'm excited to serve our members this year as one of your directors. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to serve our members this year.
Thanks for watching, and I am excited for everything we're working on to benefit you, our members.
I'm looking forward to working with our members this year, and thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself.
Thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself.
I'm looking forward to another year of serving, and thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself.
I'm looking forward to working with our members this year, and thank you for letting me share a little bit about myself.